A massive fire just broke out in the city park. We need immediate assistance.
Copy that, Mayor. All units mobilize now.
Control, this is Unit 2. We've established a cordon at the park entrance. Advise all responding units to stage on Elm. Clear the area now, folks.
Easy now, let's stand you up slowly. Are you dizzy?
Possible fracture here. We need to stabilize the arm.
Sir, can you tell me if you hit your head at all?
I really appreciate you both being here so quickly. I feel much better now.
Of course, sir. That's what we're here for. Just take it slow.